Hi guys, today we've got 3 packages. This one's not that exciting, this one's a bit more exciting, and this one is something I've been waiting for a while. So let's start off with the least exciting one. This is just a pack of O-rings which I need as wheels for my camera dolly. Four different sizes. So of course I could have bought these locally, but getting them from China was much cheaper. And furthermore, it's quite difficult to get O-rings with such a large thickness. Okay. So a second package with a quite joyful package, as you can see. Although it says here, cry dear. These are precision thin line writing utensils. So I was very happy buying that last one you've seen in my movie. So now I've got a whole set. Also could buy them locally, but also bought from China. They become much cheaper. A whole variety, different tips, different thicknesses. We'll be testing them later on. Although let's have a look at them. Try to get them in focus. One point two. 0.005. So this is like the one I bought last time, but thinnest. There should be also one with a brush tip. See that? Point 8, 0.3 millimeters, and that's 0.5. So we've got 0.5, 0.3, 0.35, 0.45, 0.40, 0.25, 0.55, 0.20, and of course the brush tip. Okay. And now for the most awaited package. So it's a cooking mold. Quite exciting. Will be quite useful for my molecular cuisine. Voulez-vous professional. AliExpress top brands, the experts of silicone in the kitchen. The best of the best on AliExpress. Recommendations for use. Wash molds with hot water and soap before first use to avoid different flavors. First use, apply a small amount of oil or butter to the silicone molds, wash molds, and so on and so on. Warning, do not hit violently or scratch with sharp instruments. Do not use fabrics to dry molds. Do not heat directly by fire. Okay, so quite normal for silicone molds. But what's most exciting about it is the shape. So take a look. See that? So be able to do one of those cubes, which looks like it's consisting of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 3, 27 balls. So it'll be a very nice cake. I'll show you a picture from the offer on AliExpress. Looks quite exciting. Okay, so that's it for today. Of course, you'll see this in use soon. I'll make that cube cake. So be on a watch out for new movies, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye. And of course, the chameleon is also from AliExpress. You'll find the links below this movie. So if you want anything, be sure to click on the link, check it out on AliExpress. Take care. Bye.